Why'd you lock it? We gotta go to the...
There's another door. Oh, now the wind's moving in another direction.
I'm about to have to go ahead and deal with it.
I know where my mediums went. I had to take these. They're still too big. What? Where my finger at?